Alright, here we go. Bagong destination. Okay, number 2 daw ako. Bagong destination sa mataas na kahoy pa rin. Ano yun? Ano restaurant yan? Basil, tomato and basil. So iba na naman ang motor ni Sir Dan. So let's see kung ano ang meron doon. First time ng grupo pumunta sa restaurant na yon. Sana mag-cooperate ang weather. Medyo makulimlim. Yeah, baby! Sana maganda yung protections. Hi.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. 'Cause you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Ayan na ang bon.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
Gas up. Okay, very nice. Oh, hindi pa pala tapos. Mas mura kasi dito yung ano yung gasolina by 3 to 4 pesos per liter. Kaya if you're driving along SLEX papuntang Batangas, dito kayo sa Petron Malbar. Senior moments. Senior moments. Sabihin mo 3 to 4 liters. I mean 3 to 4 pesos per liter. So mag-full tank ka, malaki-laki din. Saka hindi lang yan, hindi lang yung sa savings yung nakakainis na. Not only that, makapasave, medyo hindi mo sumama loob. Kasi nakakatakot ngayon. Nakakatakot na yung pumasok sa gasolinahan. sa taas ng presyo ng gasolina. Nakakatakot pumasok sa gasolinahan. Okay, here we go again.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nose.
Daming graba.
Standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid.
Baba ka ga?
I wish when I first saw you
Wait lang,
I
wait lang,
knew
wait lang, wait lang.
this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel
Malayo
diluted,
ka.
my
Sige,
heart's
baba ka nga.
been wounded.
Kailangan.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt.
Ito, bababa pa eh.
Never really know just what you want. With
Sige,
you I
baba
don't
ka
ever
muna.
feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside
Sige,
my
baba ka ha.
palm.
Baba.
Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings.
Ito ka dun.
You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares. Standing right there.
Oh, sige sir, muna ka sir.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? 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 Then will you get bored of killing me?
Dad! Come on! Baba ka na. Pakilagyan na ba to? Masyado atang mataas eh. Diyan. Kulang. Ayan, okay na. Woo! Chart. Ah.
Grabe rin sa ng
Mahina. Sus Par Josep. Dapat lang. Dito may daan. Oo. Takot ako kanina doon kasi doon ako sa graba doon na daan. Great pusa ka lang din. Katakot. Kaya mamaya medyo ano, diyan ka naman eh. Ikaw ba taga-traffic? Oo, delikado, di ba? Kaya ito, lalaki na motor na to.
Ayun ang problema, sana magawa ninyo to, no? Para ha?
Madaya pong gagawin ko dito. Diba plano ko po ng numbers ko namin.
Bulan, baka mag-ano pa yan, eh?
Landslide.
Oo, babagsak pa yan.
At kaya niya ba sabay po gagawin ko? Pwede iwan dito yung mga ano. Tapos po sir, meron po mga...
Gusto mo iwan yung helmet mo?
Hindi iniwan.
Okay. Tara. So, nakadating na kami. Ito pala yung ano nila. Ito yung parking nila. Medyo graba pa. Dito. Pakyat doon. Ayan o. Ayan. Sabi nila sisimentuhin pa raw nila. Then parang kubo-kubo lang. But we're here. Safe and sound. Sir Bong, kaway-kaway ka naman dyan. Kaway-kaway ka naman.
Oh! Hey, ano pala? You are
Under surveillance. So the parking may akyatan. Woo! Okay. So may view ka ng konti ng Talig. Siya. Tomato and basil.
Meron na nagbundo, no?
Ganda.
Bakit? Ano meron?
Ayan ako.
Ha?
Ganun din. Pero iba yung presentation.
Meron na doon, no?
Pancakes din sila.
Okay. Tama, doon ko na lang lagay yung helmet. No?
Helmet, mas helmet. Ang gamit nyo.